morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Scared me. Well, we got a problem with the bearing. This is our auger that feeds our wet tank. This bearing is out right here. It's two of them, one right there, one that goes there and one that goes there. But we welded these extra pieces on because this was shaking so bad. It's got 4 bolts that hold it. I don't know, it had a lot of vibration. So we added these pieces on and welded it to the frame on both sides, and can't get this auger out, this shaft, because this whole piece right here, the original piece, is supposed to, when you unbolt that, fall out, but it can't because we have this welded. So we're gonna have to cut there, cut here, and then the whole thing will come out, and we'll put new bearings in and go back, bolt it up, and then we'll just have to weld it, re-weld it again to the frame, just to give it some stability from all that vibrating. It was just vibrating too bad for our comfort. So let's go get the torch and we will get to cutting. Got it off. Now we are going to take it to the shop and we're going to clean all this up. Ooh, that's still hot. Gee. Got it. Don't turn the auger. Good morning. Wednesday, the 30th. And I'm filling up with gas. And we are cold this morning. Not cold, but coldest we've been so far. It is 51 degrees. Look at the dew on the ground. It is heavy, heavy dew. I forgot the sprocket. I was going to put this on first thing this morning on my combine. Got a sprocket that's pretty bad, and it came in and got all the way over to the combine and forgot it. You ever do that? Be planning your whole day out and then you forget the first thing that you had planned. That is the sprocket right there. But we are going to go check another farm 5 miles up the road. It's a little bit sandier dirt, and Dad's gone to check it right now. And look at those beans, look at how wet it is, and see how wet the ground is. And if it's drier than this, we'll probably be moving. just got the word we are gonna move. Well, we made it to the next farm. Got a broke knife on the first broke knife of the season. You got everything you need?
I think so.
Oh, problems. We keep, this field's got a lot of grass in it, and the dirt is damp, and the grass and the damp dirt keeps getting stuck up under this draper belt, and building up, and then the belt, this big old belt doesn't turn. So about the third time we've done it. Joys of soybeans and wet dirt and grass. All this grass and this that damp dirt, it just doesn't break up and kind of work its way out of the belt like it does when it's dry. You got it? Woo! Tough going today. We choked up. I bet we choked up 5 or 6 times, and it took a while to get all that dirt out. We're just maybe a day too early. Just pushing the moisture in the ground, just trying to do it too fast, and that's just choking us up. But we'll get it, and it'll get better and better. And tomorrow's supposed to be a good sunshiny day, and the next day, so it'll get better and better. But anyway, guys, whew, that's loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but thanks for watching the videos. We really appreciate it. I hope you like them, and to feel free to comment and tell me what you don't like or do like. But it just means a lot that y'all watch our videos, and I hope you learn something about farming. But anyway, don't forget to hit the like button, the thumbs up, and the little subscribe button. And that'll alert you when I put a new video up. But thanks again, guys, and we will get after it tomorrow. See you in the next video.